Good morning and welcome to another edition of the OFX Currency Couch. The Australian dollar opened this week largely unchanged after the gains we saw moving into the weekend last week, driven by that softer print in US inflation data. The soft read does raise some questions as to whether the Federal Reserve will be able to maintain that December rate hike, although we're still seeing a majority of the market pricing that in at this stage. So we'd anticipate that monetary policy divergence will continue to be a key player in governing direction for the Australian dollar through the short and medium term. This week our focus is on political uncertainty, especially out of the UK and Europe, dominating the headlines at this stage. We saw moves overnight again as concerns surrounding Brexit negotiations breaking down govern direction for the pound, and we saw it slip back below that 133 handle, while European and Catalan independence push is certainly affecting the euro, and we've seen it move below those levels at 118, and we're sitting at lows around that 117.90, 117.80 mark. The Spanish Prime Minister has given the head of the Catalan president a deadline of Thursday to announce whether they intend to make a push for independence, and that remains a key in determining volatility moving forward. Looking ahead as well to the US dollar, we'll be expecting an announcement possibly as early as Thursday as to the new Federal Reserve. This week we saw John Taylor move into favouritism as the head to take over from Chair Janet Yellen, and he's viewed as a hawkish alternative perhaps to the other candidates at this stage, which could add some support to the US dollar. We'll be watching support for the Australian dollar around 78.30 with a possible move below that handle should US dollar momentum continue into the end of the week. For more direction and advice, please call our corporate dealing teams or private dealing teams on 1300 300 524.